Selecting a graduate school is difficult, but why graduate school? Graduate school might be for you if you want to become more specialized in a specific field, if you have an unwavering intellectual curiosity, a passion for contributing to the field and society, and crave more employment opportunities and more freedom within those opportunities. If you don't already have a clear sense of your academic interests and professional goals, take time to think about them. Talk to the people you trust, mentors, professors, and get some advice on your next move. If you're really curious, ask to shadow someone that has the profession you desire to experience the day-to-day realities of that job. When you establish your end goal, the profession that you want, then it's time to go for it. First step, decide on the degree that you want, a master's or PhD. This decision hinges on your career goals, time commitment, and funding situation. However, both require that you take the GRE test. A master's degree can take about 2 years to complete full-time, 3 to 5 years part-time. Although for a master's degree, you may have to pay for it out of your own pocket. A PhD can take about 5 to 7 years full-time to complete, but usually this comes with a stipend. Regardless of your choice, there are research fellowships, money awards given for doing research, and assistantships, TAing classes for pay that are often out there on a competitive basis. When grad school searching, the first thing you shouldn't do is pick a school solely based on word of mouth or national rankings. When looking for schools, cast a wide net of 10 to 15 places that also share your scientific interests. Make a list of the schools and categorize them based on the likelihood of your admission. For sure, maybe, and would need a miracle. Applications normally cost money, so plan and choose wisely which select few you actually apply to. If you need help, a good way to aid your search is to look at the websites of professional organizations such as the American Physical Society and the American Chemical Society. Attending the national conferences for these organizations is also a great place to make connections with faculty and learn about schools. As you research, keep a spreadsheet of pertinent information such as application deadlines, admission requirements, graduation requirements, minimum GRE scores needed, etc. The next thing to do is visit your top choice schools if possible. You want to assess your level of comfort in their environment and ask questions not answered in their information packets. Do you see adequate resources and facilities? What's the research activity of the school? Is it research level 1, 2, or 3? Are your potential advisors ones you can see yourself working with for 2 to 7 years? How big are the research groups? Are there people of color? Are there women in the group? How is the work-life balance? What's the overall social landscape like? And where do people land after graduation? In addition to connecting to faculty, talk to students or alumni. They'll most likely offer more candid answers which will clue you into the true dynamics of the department and school. If you plan on starting grad school right after undergrad, start prepping the summer following junior year. Here's an approximate timeline to keep you on track. It is also not uncommon to take a gap year to try different things and recharge your intellectual batteries. Summer. Start researching potential schools, start studying for the GRE test, and sign up for a test prep class if needed. Talk to your mentors and advisors about your next moves. Fall. Start writing personal statement, finalize short list of schools to apply to, familiarize yourself with prospective mentors' work, arrange a campus visit, send recommenders information, take the GRE test. Winter. Thoroughly proofread all application materials. Arrange to have your transcripts sent. Complete and submit applications. Verify that letters of recommendation have been sent. Spring. Try to relax while waiting for responses. Celebrate acceptances. Figure out funding situation. If you get a rejection letter or don't get into any of your schools, call your contact professor in that department and politely express your regret at not being admitted. Ask them if they can point out where your application was weak or give you some suggestions on how you might strengthen your candidacy in the future. This will help you when applying the following year. If it doesn't work out initially, don't lose hope because everyone will find where they are destined to go.